Thank you for your interest in Builder Boy. We've been in business for over 25 years, and it's our pleasure to provide you with a free estimate. Scheduling an estimate is very easy. You can either call our office at the number listed below or by submitting an online form on our website, builderboy.com. To schedule an estimate, we'll need some basic information, like your first and last name, the best number to reach you, an email address. Please rest assured we will not share your information, and a brief description of your project. After you meet with our estimator, you'll receive an estimate within 24 to 48 hours. Please note that larger projects will take a little bit longer to estimate. If you have any questions after reviewing your estimate, you can always give us a call or send us an email with your questions. We will do our best to respond in a timely manner. Thank you for calling Builder Boy. How may I help you? Sure. What is your name? And your address. Okay, and a number. Okay. And an email address. Sure, and what is it that you wanted done? At the rear? Okay. All right, perfect. I've got you all set. You have a good day. Okay, bye-bye. If you decide to move forward with your estimate, please send us a signed copy via email, fax, or standard mail. After we receive your signed estimate, we will submit it to our project manager for scheduling. Within a week of scheduling, you'll receive a contract from our office manager detailing the work schedule as well as a payment schedule and various other job details. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. We hope it was helpful, and if you have any other questions, please feel free to give us a call.